Hi everyone, this is the weaving project I'm working on today. I love you. This is a weave for the adventurous. If you're adventurous, this weave is for you. For this weave, you need 29 white pro loops, 19 black, and 6 red. This is a double weave with a double clasp with a double bind off. Oh, you need to string the warp this way, white, black across until you get to here, and then red, white until you get to here. This last one has to be black. Anything else? No, I'm going to start in the top right corner today instead of what I usually do. So I'm going to start up here under one, over one, under one, over three, then I'm going to be doing under one over threes all the way across. Whoops. Oh, if you're going to have loops that misbehave, we're going to do this. Yep. All right, what was I doing? Under one, over three, under one. Okay. Grocery rubber bands, not just for groceries. Get another white. Row 26 is going to be under one, over three, all the way across. Under one, over three. Ending on under one over two, because there's only two left at the end. Okay. Next one is going to be red. Oh, I forgot to tell you, you need safety pins for this, in my opinion. Now, if you want to do it without safety pins, that's up to you, but I highly suggest safety pins. You're probably going to need 3. Okay, next row is going to be under one with a red. Over one, under 4, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 1, over 1. Then we're going to put this guy through the back like this. See what I'm doing here? Temporarily. I'm going to temporarily get this guy out of the way by just attaching him to something. All right, go back on the front. We're going to get a black loop. The black loop is going to continue on and finish up this row. So just hook the black somewhere over here, doesn't matter, somewhat close. This is where the red guy ended, so we're going to start here under 3 with the black. Under 3, over 2, under 1, over 3, under 2, over 1, under 1. Okay. Let's check that out, see if I did that right. Under 3, over 2, under 1, over 3, under 2, over 1, under 1. Okay, we're going to unhook this side because we don't need that guy on that side. Attach it to your safety pin. Go down here in the middle where the red guy's hanging out. Make a little loop like this with the black guy. Unhook your red guy. Red guy's gonna dive, under that loop like this to make a clasp. And you can put this guy somewhere over here, maybe. We'll see how this works. All right. We got these guys clasped. They're going to hang out in the back. All right, they're hanging out in the back. Yay! Now we're going to get a white one. This is row 24. Gonna do over 2 under 1, over 2 under 3, over 1 under 3, over 2, under 1, over 2, under 3, over 1, under 3, over 2, under 1. Okay, that guy goes right there. Meanwhile, in the back, flip it over, unhook your red guy. Make sure your red guy is still clasped to this guy. Don't let him loose. Put him back under here like this, where he was before. Gonna go backwards. Let's see here. Backwards on the red is going to be under 1, over 1, under 1, over 3, under 1, over 3, ending on under 4. We are doing this to isolate the red in that one corner for this pattern. Okay. So get this guy in the back here. Unhook him. Gonna have to stretch this a little bit like this. Looks like this guy got a little bit twisted. Okay. Make sure it's still clasped. Go back out through the middle like this. Black guy is gonna go under 1, over 1, under 2, over 3, under 1, over 2, under 3 at the end. All right. Woohoo! Looking groovy. All right, next one is going to be a white. Row 22. Under 1. Over 1. Under 3. Over 1. Under 3. Over 1. Under 3, over 2, under 1, over 2, under, where am I? Sorry, under 1, over, I'm getting too ahead of myself. Under 3, over 1, under 3, over 1, under 3, over 2, under 1, and then over 2, under 3, over 2, and then, oh, something's not right here. Under 1, aha, at the very beginning, y'all. Under 1, over 2, sorry, I'm leading you astray. Leading you all astray. So sorry. Under 1, over 2. Sorry. Under 3, over 1, under 3, over 1, under 3, over 2, under 1, over 2, under 3, over 2, under 1, over 2. Sorry about that, you guys. This is a complex pattern. I have only myself to blame because I invented it. So it's my own fault. It's my own darn fault. Holy mackerel, you guys. Okay, for the 89th time. Under 1, over 2, under 3, over 1, under 3, over 1, under 3, over 2, under 1, over 2, under 3, over 2, under 1, over 2. All right. Okay, row 21 with a red is going to be, whoops, under 1, over 1, under 1, over 2, under 1, over 3, under 1, over 4, hide in the back. Maybe I'll just poke him back through like this. Finish up the row with a black guy. Hook him over here. Under 3, over 1, under 2, over 2, under 3, over 1, under 1, with this guy. All right, get this guy back where he goes, in the back. Put this guy in the back. Make a loop out of the black guy. Dive the red guy through like this. Hook this guy like this here. We're gonna go backwards. Back out here. The red is gonna go under 1, over 1, under 1, over 3, under 1, over 3, under 4, and then this guy, and then return. Oops, it's gonna go under 1, over 1, under 3, over 2, under 2, over 1, under 3. So that black line was under this guy, over 1, under 3, over 2, under 2, over 1, under 3. Okay, row 20 is going to be the white between these guys, so we're going to go over 2, under 2, over 1, under 3, over 1, under 3, over 1, under 2, under this guy, 1, and under this guy, 2, over 3, 1, 2, 3, under 2, over 1, under 1, over 4, under 1. So to repeat that one, over 2, under 2, over 1, under 3, over 1, under 3, over 1, this white guy's going under here, under 2, he's going under this red and under this white. Then he's going over 3, the black, white, black, over 3, under 2, over 1, under 1, over 4, under 1. Okay, we're on row 18 with the white, under 1, over 3, under 2, over 1, under 3, over 1, under 1, over 4, under 1, over 2, under 3, over 2, under 1, over 2. So that was under 1, over 3, under 2, over 1, under 3, over 1, under 1, over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, under 1, over 2, under 3, over 2, under 1, over 2. Okay, get another red. Row 17 is going to be under 3, over 1, under 2, over 3, under 1, over 2, under 2. Get your black. Black is going to go under these 3 here. Over 2, under 1, over 3, under 2, over 1, under 1. Let me check that guy here. So the black is under 3, over 2, under 1, over 3, under 2, over 1, under 1. Get this guy off here. Put these guys back here temporarily. Make a loop, dive this guy under. Put this guy temporarily someplace, like here. And we're going to do the red return. Which is going to be over 1, under 1, over 1, under 1, over 2, under 2, over 1, under 3, over 1, under 1. the other guy. Unhook him. Pull this clasp a little bit tighter. There we go. He's gonna go back, the black return. Gonna be under 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 3, under 1. Over 2, under 3. Okay, we gotta get the guy in the middle. Mr. 16, gonna be over 2, under 1. Needs to be over here. Over 2, under 1. Over 3, under 2. Over 1, under 1, over 2, under 1, over 1, and then under 1. Let's see, over 1, over 1, under 1. Let's check this out here. Over 2, under 1, over 3, under 2, over 1, under 1, over 2, under 1, over 1, under 1, over 2, under 3, over 1, under 3, over 2, under 1, okay, row 14 with a white is going to be under 1, over 3, under 1, over 3, under 1, over 1, under 1, over 3, under 1, over 1, under 1, over 3, under 1, over 3, under 1, over 2. This is the line between the I and the Y, and between the heart and the rest of that word. All right. All right, now we need to do the crazy clasp on the bottom. So what we're gonna do is get this red guy here, go in the back like this. This red guy is gonna loop onto this black guy like this. I'm gonna leave him up here for 1 second. So we lifted up that guy. We're replacing that guy with black on this one, and then part 2 is going to be over this guy here. I know you're saying to yourself, what? Okay. Now we're going to do the crazy, crazy thing. Unlatch this guy. All right. This is what I'm gonna do. Get this guy under here temporarily. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow this line, this red line, up. So I'm just gonna go over the top of this guy going up here like this. So just whatever he did, follow that guy up. Follow that guy up. Just keep going on top. Going under here. Whoops. Under here. Then he's going to go under here. And we're going to take this guy off. Yes, we are. Get this guy that we just made a clasp out of. Oh, you have to be insane, people, I'm telling you. And put that guy here. And the original guy that we had down here, magic, 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 out. And we're putting this black guy here because we don't want any red down on this bottom. No, we don't. I'm going to do that again. And another black. Going to lift up this red guy here in the back. Like this. Gonna make a loop like this. This is another clasp. This is clasp number 2. Where am I gonna attach you for 5 minutes? And get the black guys. Go back over here. This black guy's going on this one. This black guy is gonna go over this one for the moment. And we're gonna get this guy here. I told you he had to be adventurous, didn't I? Yes, I did. Stretch him up a little. Go over here. We're gonna follow the path of this guy. This red guy. We're just gonna go right on top. It's like this. Just follow that red guy right there. These two. Okay. Under this last one, we're going to take this guy off. Because this guy's going to replace him. Okay, put this guy back on. This is the original red guy. Magic, 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 out. So we are replacing red, white with black, white, black, white. Why are we doing this? Because we need black and white on the bottom. That's why we're doing it. Okay, one more time. Get this guy here. Get your black guy. Get your pin like this. Black guy's going to go through the side. He's going to take the place of the red you just unhooked. And temporarily go on top of this guy. Okay, meanwhile, unhook this guy. Stretch him a little bit. Flip it over. to follow this guy's path now. Under these guys. Just do exactly what this red guy did. So see how this is going under 3 right there? Got to go under 3 right there. Go over this one, under this one, over this one, over, under, over. Get this off of here. Get this guy off of here. He's going under. All right, just like we did before, this red guy, magic. Goodbye. Okay. Pretty cool. We are on row 13 with black. We are going to start under 2 over 2. Under 2 over 2. Now remember, we've got these guys here. Got to remember that these new guys are here. Under 2 over 2. Under 2 over 2. Under 2 over 3. 1, 2, 3. Watch these guys. Under 1 over 2, under 1 over 2, under 2 over 2, under 2, over 1, under 1. Okay, to repeat, row 13, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 3, under 1, over 2, under 1, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 1, under 1. Row 12 is going to be white. Oops. Over 1, under 3, over 1, under 3. 6 times. Over 1, under 3, 6 times. 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ending on over 2, under 1. This guy's a little bit twisted. Let's repeat that guy. 6 over 1 under 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ending on over 2 under 1. Row 11 with another black. This guy's twisted. Okay, we are on row 11, under 1, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 1, over 3, under 3, over 2, under 2, over 2, ending on under the last 3. So let's go over that one again. Under 1, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 1, over 3, these 3 here, under 3, over 2, under 2, over 2, and then under the last 3. All right, we're on row 10 with a white. We should pack these guys a little bit. Pack, pack, pack. This is going to constrict, but still doesn't hurt. Okay. Row 10, under 2, over 1, under 1, over 1, under 1, over 1, under 1, over 1, under 1, over 1, under 3, over 1, under 1, over 1, under 1, over 1, under 1, over 1, under 1, over 1, under 2, over 2. Okay, let's go over that one again. Under 2, over 1, under 1, over 1, under 1, over 1, under 1, over 1, under 1, over 1, under 3, over 1, under 1, over 1, under 1, over 1, under 1, over 1, under 1, over 1, under 2, over 2 at the end. Row 9 with another black. Oh, we better pack this guy. Pack, pack, pack. All right. Row 9. Under 2, over 2. Under 2, over 2. Under 2, over 2. Under 2, over 2. Under 1. Over 2, under 1. Over 3, under 2, over 1, under 1. Okay. Under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2. Under 1, over 2, under 1. Over 3, 1, 2, 3, under 2, over 1, under 1. Okay, row 8 with another white. It's going to be 6 over 1 under 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ending on over 2, under 1. Okay, over 1, under 3, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ending on over 2, under 1. Row 7 is another black. Get your black. Under 1, excuse me, under 1. Over 2, under 2. Over 2, under 2. Over 2, under 2. Over 2. Under 3, over 3, under 1, over 2, and under the last 3. Oh, that was under 1, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 2, over 2, under 3, over 3, under 1, over 2, and under 3. Row 6 with a white. Better pack these guys a little bit. Okay, row 6 is going to be under 2, over 1, under 1, 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 over 2. Let me see here, let me make sure. Under 2, and then we do under 2, over 1, and then 6 under 1, over 1's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then under 1, then over 2, then under 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, over 2, under 1, over 2. I think just to be safe, I'm going to lock in these guys here. All right, so that was under 2, over 1, and then 6 under 1, over 1's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, under 1, over 2, under 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, over 2, under 1, over 1. Okay, we are on row 5 with black. Under 2, over 3, under 1, over 2, under 2, over 3, under 1, over 2, under 1, over 1, under 2, over 2, under 3, ending on over 1, under 1. Okay, so what was that? Under 2, over 3, under 1, over 2, under 2, over 3, under 1, over 2, under 1, over 1, under 2, over 2, under 3, 1, 2, 3, ending on over 1, under 1. Number 4 is going to be another white. Okay, over 1, under 3. Over 1, under 3. Over 1, under 3. Over 1, under 3. Over 1, under 4. Over 2. Under 1, over 1, under 2, over 3, under 1 at the end. Okay, to double check that, over 1, under 3, over 1, under 3, over 1, under 3, over 1, under 4, over 2, under 1, over 1, under 2, over 3, under 1 at the end. Number 3, we're going to work on number 3, which is black. Pack, pack, pack. All right. Under 1. Over 2, under 1, over 3 under 2, over 2, under 1, over 3, under 4, over 2 under 2, over 1 under 3. All right, under 1, over 2, under 1, over 3, under 2, over 2, under 1, over 3, under 4, over 2, under 2, over 1, under 3. Row number 2 with a white. Okay, row number 2 is going to be under 1, over 3. Under 1, over 3, under 1, all the way across, over 3, under 1, over 3, all the way across. Ending on under 1, over 2, because there's only 2 at the end. Okay. And number 1 is another white. Under 1, over 1, under 1, over 3, under 1, getting twisted, over 3, under 1, over 3, under 1, over 3, under 1, over 3, under 1, ending on over 3, under 1. Oh. Yay! Who designed this insanity? All right, let's get this off of here, shall we? I'm going to start with the black eye up here. We're going to do a double bind off, so we're going to skip every other one. So I'm going to get this black one, skip over the white, get this red one. Just keep skipping over every other one. Skip this white one, grab this white one. Then we're back to the black. Skip over, just keep on skipping over whichever the next one is. I don't know if I trust these guys or not. Let's see. We're going to skip over this white one and grab this black one. Keep on skipping over the whichever one is next. This go around should mostly be black and red with white at the corners. Skip over this white and get this white. Then you're back with the black, back in black. All right, we're going to skip over this white and grab this guy. And just keep on picking up the other guys. Now you should start to see the heart and the letters constrict into their final shape as we go around here. Now if these start coming off the pegs, don't be alarmed, just keep on picking them up. They're pretty stable because of the first go round. take this thing off here. Okay, keep getting the next one. Okay, this last loop I'm going to use for my ring, which of course I'm going to put a nice red heart ring on over like a hula hoop and spread it around like a shawl around your shoulders. Like this. And then squidge these guys a little bit, close up these windows so you can see the letters pretty well. Pretty cool. I'm proud of this one, you guys. This is my design. I hope you try it. And if you get this far, well, my goodness, you're something else. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.